What's going on YouTube? This is Airbomb 420 here. Are you on the phone, babe? No. You sure? Yeah. Alright, so what we got here is 3 different air stones. We're going to be going over those, seeing which 2 I want to use. And then we're going to be building our DWC bucket, also known as deep water culture. And I've got here, we're recycling parts, all about that recycling. But you go to Petco and you can buy these buckets of kitty litter, 30-pound bucket or whatever. We got 2 of them, but 1 bucket seems to last a long time, so I'm going to use our spare one as our deep water culture setup today. So what I'm going to be doing is heat fitting this hard plastic net pot. I'll bring it over in just a second. There's our clone. This is our net pot. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our torch, heat that up real nice and malleable like, and then we're gonna take this net pot and we're gonna push it. And it's gonna stretch that plastic so it's gonna fit that pot just right. Thin it out a little bit so we can cut it with some scissors, and then follow on to step 2. Alright, be back in just a second. Alright, so here we go. We got our torch, and we're just going to warm this area up. Just warming it up nice and hot. It'll start to warp and destabilize, and you'll notice when it's malleable, it'll start to glisten really shiny. You don't want it to bubble because that means it's about to combust, and it kind of ruins the integrity of the plastic. Get this heated up real good. Swirly swirls. You can almost start to smell the plastic a little bit. Remember, you don't want to melt it completely. Just heating it up. The heat gun would work better. So if you have one of those, use it. And when you go to push this thing through, you got to move fast. Alright, you see that it's starting to deform? Get your net pot, place it in the center, and just drive it right down. Right on down, like a clown, Charlie Brown. Alright. So you see that? Voila. Shit, I could use that as the net pot right there. Well, daggone! I like the way you work, Chris. All right. Ouch, it's hot. Oh. Go ahead, clean this out real quick, and then we'll do an update real fast. Alrighty, I went ahead and trimmed off all the, I don't know what you would call that, excess stuff. I mean, it's not perfect. I don't have proper tools. I don't even have proper scissors. Look at this shit. These are my scissors. 1-handle scissors. I gotta open them up and then kind of like using my material that I'm cutting to open them back up. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. No problems, only solutions. Check this out. Like a glove. Fucking perfection. And then our pump is going to be held in place here by that bucket handle. And I will show you that in just a second. So we're going to pause. Alright, so now we have the pump strapped to the side here with the bucket handle. Go ahead and show you what we got here. See that? You can adjust it a little bit. You got your dial right here. And then my hoses are going to come up I'm gonna post it right there. Look all scientific and fucking sci-fi and shit. Alright, let's get our holes popped and our hoses cut. Be right back.